Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we're gonna work on something that's been a bit overdue, and that is the latch here for my trunk. So as you can see, it's pretty beat up. What's been happening at times is that this thing will intermittently register as being ajar, and there's also a rattle coming from back here, almost like the trunk isn't closed, but it is. And yeah, this latch, it's pretty beat. Now, for those of you who have been following along, you guys might have remembered me mentioning possibly getting a replacement latch from the junkyard. I'll have to think about that one, because I already have a replacement latch, but I think this one would be even better because none of the plastic parts are damaged or worn really, and this thing looks practically brand new. I'm just saying. Although I already had one, I'll show you guys what it looks like now. So here's the replacement latch. I picked this guy up almost a year ago, and it's in pretty good shape. This came off of I want to say a 1996 or 1997 R50 Pathfinder. Now, the one that I was planning on getting from my local junkyard here, it's a gold one. It looks brand new compared to this one. This one is in great shape, but I figured since I already spent the money on it and I already have it, I might as well just go ahead and use it. So that's what we're gonna do now. So this repair shouldn't be too complicated. We have to get the plastic trim panel off, but before we could take this off, we do have to remove the grab handle. So we'll get that off. From there, we can just simply pry off the plastic trim panel here to gain access to the inner workings of the trunk. And then, of course, we have two bolts here, and I believe there's a couple of things that we'll have to work on inside the trunk lid to get the latch out. There's going to be two arms that are attached to this, two metal rods, one for the actual handle itself, and then the other for the lock and unlock feature. Let's go ahead and get to work on that. Up in here, there's the handle, and then here's the rods that I was talking about. We have to remove both of those, and then once we get those out, we remove these fasteners, and we should be good to go. Tab here, and this blue one. If we break the ones that's on the OEM latch, it's not a deal breaker because they're already present here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove our clothes here. Okay, so that unplugs that. So we were able to get it out. We did have to break the white plastic retainer here, but again, we're not too concerned about that. As you guys can see, they are identical. Okay, we have that secured now. Oh, solid. Solid. Sounds really solid. Yeah. Definitely close. Yeah, that sounds a lot more solid now. Now the next thing I'll have to address are these lift struts. Check this out. You guys see the bushing here? It's all disintegrated, but that one's nothing compared to the driver's side. Look at the driver's side. It's all but gone. And they're leaking. I placed these on the truck when I first got it. These lift struts for the rear windshield definitely need to be replaced as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my trunk back together. We have a package. I'll reveal its contents later. Thanks for stopping by the Camper Dan Files, and if you've enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a like, and while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.